So, hello guys again. I'm Mathew Javier, a student of Batangas State University, taking Bachelor of Science Information Technology. And for this video, we're going to do a Chapter 2 Packet Tracer activities. So, let's go. So, so in this activity, we are given by a packet state entitled Skills Integration Challenge Addressing Table. So, there are device, interface, IP address, and subnet mask. So there are objectives: con configure host names and IP address on two Cisco inter-network operating system using the command line interface. Use Cisco iOS commands to specify or limit access to the device configurations. Use iOS commands to save the run configuration. Configure two host device with IP address. Verify connectivity between two PCs. So their scenario as so the manager asks you to demonstrate your ability to control LAN. Your tasks include configuring initial settings on two switches using Cisco IOS and configuring IP address parameters. So you are used to end-to-end connectivity. Requirements: use a console connection to a switch, namely Class A and Class B. Use the 8UBRU password. Use at C dami sa secret password. Example that text password. Include the warning banner. Configure addressing for all devices of the according table. Save your configuration and verify connectivity between all devices. Note: check results to see your progress. Implicit reset activity. Generate new set of requirements. If you click dot before you complete the activity, our configuration will be lost. So now we will use echo. We will use console connection to the switches. Class A console. So it's console for S232. So we're going to change the host name to desktop terminal and set as default. Okay. So enter. So we type enable. So we're going to privilege mode, the host name. Host name. So configure terminal. First is config T or configure terminal. So switch the host name to. So we're gonna put the host. So host name to. We reset the host name to class A and class B. Class A, class A. So the class A. So for the next one, uh, going to the terminal, set as default, enable, config P, Next one is you're going to change the host name to class B. So the host names change into class B also. So the next one that we're going to do is we change the host name in switch 1 and switch 2. This class A and class B. So we're going to do a password class A switch. So we're going to have a password. So we're going to enable our line console 0. So we're going to check what is the password. So for the pass U, 8UBRU for all lines. So we're going to password 8RUBU. I am correct or not? 8UB 8UBRU 8UBRU. Is I correct? 8UBRU. Capital R. Yes. Um, Log in, then exit. So the next one we're going to do is the line BTY. Put line BTY. So line BTY 0 to 15. Yes. Same. So the same we're going to do is password 8UBRU. So log in and exit. Kita ka dyan, Waya. So we put passwords. So next we're going to the class B. So in class B we're going to put a password. So type line console 0. So line console 0 password 8RU 8UBRU UBRU and log in and exit. Then we put line BTY 0 to 15 and password again is 8UBRU. Log in and exit. So as you can see, we put in class A and class B the login, the line VTY, the line console. The password is all the same. That is the format. Your first line console, password, login, and exit. So we're going to go the enable secret password. Enable secret. The password is enable secret password. See. So C9W C9W RE. So C9WRE is our secret password. So we're going to encrypt the password. So we type service password encryption to encrypt all of our password. So we encrypt all our password. So after we encrypt all our password, we're going to we're going again to the class A. So we type in class A. We're going to class A terminal. So we're going to secret any secret password. So secret any password enable secret. Our password earlier is C9WRE 9WRE big letter E, and we are service password encryption. So we're going to type service password encryption. So we encrypt all the password. So the next step we're going to do is, after we encrypt, so we're going to include banner. So we're going to do banner MOTD and bill limiter. No warning. So we're going to class B switch and do the same. We put a banner onto the dollar sign and put warning. Banner MOTD dollar sign warning. Sorry if it is. So we put the same class 1 banner MOTD. So in class B banner, we put banner also. So after we put the same banner on the warning, so we're going to do or to save to or configure all two switches and two PCs according to the table that we are given here. So VLAN 1 and VLAN 1 the IP address. So we're going to do it. So class A. So in the class A, we're going to set into the interface VLAN 1 interface VLAN 1 and sa IP, going to IP address. So we got the IP address that here in class A is IP address in class A is this. Oh no, cannot copy paste. So we're going to copy it. So my IP address is 10.10.10.100. So after we put 10.10.100, we then space then the subnet mask. Space the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Then we enter no shot. So we're going to do the same in the class B switch. So now shot. So we're going to class B switch. We're going to put the interface VLAN 1. Interface VLAN 1. So we call the interface VLAN 1 is to class. What class is this? Student 2. So the IP address is class B is IP address is 10.10.10.150, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So there's a address, and after we put 255.255.0, so we're going to no shot. So after we put no shot, so it is okay. So now we will save the configuration on both switches. So we're going to exit. So exit again to go to privilege mode. So we are going to type the copy running config to copy running config to. So we're going to copy running config to startup config, tapos then okay, destination file startup config, enter. So building configuration. So we're going to do a PC in student 1. So we're going to the IP. So the IP is in the desktop. It is desktop. It is in desktop. So we're going to student 2. So the IP configuration, the IP address is in IP address is student 2, which is 210 10.10.10.5. So the next is 2555, 255.255, 255. So the subnet mask, that's 0. So we're going to save it just like we do in class A. So we're going to Control Z and back to the privilege mode. So we're going to save it, copy, copy, run and config to start out config, enter. So it is 1x. So here we go into the IP configuration. The IP configuration that we're going to talk about is student1. The IP is 10.10.10.4. The next is 255.255.255.0 and X. So after we've all meet the requirements, we're going to double check it. So we're going to verify the connectivity. So we're going to ping. So we're going to ping. So we're going to ping the IP address of the other class 2, which is the student 2, is 10.10.10.5. So if we get reply, it is working. Right. So type. So we're going to type ping. Yes, we're getting the replay. So it is all running. So our path tracer is completely you completely working. So this is our, so we're going to completion status is 90/90. So that is all, and thank you for watching. That's all.